Yeah, Brent, Sarah, the House gave quick approval just a few minutes ago to a fairly bare bones spending package, kicking the can down the road once again until December 20th. This bill funds federal agencies at current levels for the next 3 months, pushing the deadline until after the November election, but right before the holiday break. It includes an extra $231 million for Secret Service funding after 2 assassination attempts of former President Donald Trump and growing safety concerns for candidates on the campaign trail. What this stopgap measure excludes is the procurement of 2 Virginia-class submarines Connecticut would benefit from. They also tossed out the controversial SAVE Act, a measure which would have required extra documentation for proof of U.S. citizenship at the polls. Well, Trump wanted Republicans to hold out for the SAVE Act with the deadline so close and the storm in the Gulf strengthening. Our delegation tells me there's really an air of compromise and bipartisanship on the Hill tonight. Connecticut members stood on the House floor just a few minutes ago saying they cannot get this close to the deadline again, now a common and recent occurrence. This bill, also known as a continuing resolution or CR, is now in the hands of the Senate, who I'm told also expect to pass it quickly and easily tonight as lawmakers race the hurricane home. They now have a more than month-long break. I'll have reaction from our congressional delegation to passing this measure in the House in the next hour. Sarah, Brent.